everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sign up for a LinkedIn account. Watch the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To sign up for a LinkedIn account using a mobile device, first make sure that you've downloaded the application. Simply tap open after you are done and you'll end up in this first interface. To create a new account, tap on the Join Now button displayed highlighted in blue and type in an email address that you'd like to use. Once you are done, tap the Continue button. Create a new password which is at least 6 characters long. And once you are done typing in an email and password, tap the Continue button. On the next page, you'll need to type in your first name and your last name. Start off with your first and then your last on the next. After you are done, tap on Agree and Join, since you'll be agreeing the LinkedIn's user agreement, privacy policy and cookie policy. Tap on that button and you'll be taken to a next page where you'll need to verify that you're a real person. Tap on the Verify button and pick the image that is in the correct way up. And once you are done with the verification, enter your location on the next page. If your location for your device is turned on, it will be automatically typed in. And now, tap the next button at the bottom. Select if you are a student or not by toggling on and off this button. And if you're not a student, go ahead and type in your job title by selecting from the options. Select your employment type from the drop-down. Enter the name of your most recent company. Once you type in all of the information, tap the next button at the bottom. And on the next page, go ahead and add a photo for yourself, which will help people recognize you. You can do this right now by tapping on Add a Photo. Take a photo from your camera by choosing the first option, or choose an existing picture from your library by choosing the second option. Or you can also skip the step for now by tapping on Skip for Now at the bottom. Now you'll need to type in the 6-digit code in the text box that has been sent on your email inbox. Go ahead and type it in after opening up your inbox and tap the next button beneath. Once your email has been confirmed, you'll need to select More answer to the questions that will be asked to you along the way. Simply go ahead and follow the on-screen prompts and tap the next button and you'll be able to create a new account for LinkedIn. With the LinkedIn account signed up, you can go ahead and use it to build connection in your industry and stay in touch with colleagues, past and present. You can also use it to find the right job or internship for yourself with just a few simple taps from your mobile devices. That's how you can easily sign up for LinkedIn. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.